How you doing, guys? Today I've got a Holden or a Chevy Cruze, depending where you are. Just checking out. It's come in with its engine light on. I've put the scan tool on it. It's got a fault. P0171 fuel system 2 lean. So it's got a lean mixture fault. I'm just going to show you how we go about diagnosing that. You'll notice the engine's still running fine. You can't really notice too much of an operation. It's just got the engine light on. So I'll show you what we found. So the majority of the time when you get a lean mixture fault, you must have an air leak. So you have your airflow meter, which is telling the computer how much air it's going to get. And if air's coming in from somewhere else, that's unregistered air. So it's giving it a lean mixture. So I don't know if you can hear it, but this has got a PCV valve in the rocker cover. And the seal in that valve wears. And instead of allowing it to just breathe externally, it sucks in air. So this is the cause of our problem here. So to fix that, I've got to replace this whole rocker cover as the PCV valve is in the rocker cover. So this is a common problem with this vehicle, and a good way to check is have the engine running. Once you've turned the engine off, you'll still hear it sucking air through here. You can just put your finger or your thumb over it, and you can definitely tell and feel that it's sucking air in through there. So sorry for the noise, it is raining quite heavily outside, but these are not too bad to replace. You can do them if you're pretty handy. I'm pretty much just going to take out the coil pack, disconnect the plug, take off the few things. The hose is here, unbolt the rocker cover, and then it's going to come up. First thing I'm going to do is take this hose off. Just to give it some room. Better. Then I'll take this coil pack out. Done. So now I'm just taking off these clips. These are a bit of a pain. Pretty much you have to pull this tab back and lift it up, and that will come off. Sometimes you need a screwdriver. There you go, I've taken that side off. There is a hose here that you have to take off. So now it's pretty much unbolt the rocker cover and it should come up. Once they're all off, so you can see the breather unit, the PCV valve. That's the part that leaks and causes a vacuum leak. So now what I'm just going to do is clean all this up, get rid of all the gunk, and get ready for the new one to go on. So here's the new cam cover, ready to go on. Matched up, it's like the old one. The only thing I'm going to do, which I recommend, especially if it is an aftermarket cover, not a genuine part, I'm going to put a bit of sealer just wherever there's a sharp joint. Sometimes
they don't seal the best on these joints, so you put a bit of sealer, just takes care of that. Just like that. So that's the new cover on. I'm pretty much going to put everything that I took off back together and then delete the fault, and we should be all good. There you have it, guys. That's all back together. The engine's running. Notice that sucking sound is gone. There's nothing from there. So that's it. All that's left is to erase the fault and we'll be all good. So the scan tool's back on. As you can see, there's our history fault. P0171 fuel system too lean. So we'll go back, clear codes. Let's have a look. There we go. Engine light's gone, fault's gone. All sorted. Thanks guys. If that was any help to you, which I hope it did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this to come.